Here we go.
Oh, getting there.
There we go. Hey. Whee! Woohoo! Oh yeah!
Lovely little top of airtime.
Oh! What? Oh Jesus!
For those of you watching, if you think that's high, so you get to
Definitely looking forward to Blackpool now, that's for sure.
Not done Loki then?
I have not done Loki.
No.
I take it you have?
I have.
And is it as good as I'm hoping it's going to be?
Yes.
Good.
They never fail to deliver.
Excellent.
Very good choice of rider they've done.
Absolutely.
Surprised we've not had one before now, to be fair.
Yeah.
You won't get this on an instrument, it faffs around a little bit. Oh, this is faffing around a bit, isn't it? Yeah, when it's sort of parking or a same place. Well, we'll do to the right. I bet we get on where we were before, yeah. There you go. Keeping the time for floor, well, that's what else.